Hello students, today we will see the third part of this chapter, skeletal system and muscular system. Let's revise it, what we have seen in the previous videos. In the previous videos we have seen about the skeletal system, what were the function of skeletal system. It gives shape and support to our body. It allows us to walk, bend and run. It protects us of the internal organs of our body. We have studied here that a newborn baby has more than 300 bones, but in the adult human being there are 206 bones, and there is a soft material inside the hollow of the bone that is called bone marrow. The bone marrow produces new blood cells, and those blood cells carry oxygen to the other parts of our body. Now after it there was parts of a skeletal system. There was skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs and girdles in the parts of a skeletal system. The first part was skull. There are 40 given here. 22 bones are here in our skull, in which 8 bones are fused to form the brain, and remaining 14 support our face. So lower jaw is movable, but the upper jaw is not movable, and that's why lower jaw helps us to eat and talk. Another was backbone. There are 33 small bones in our backbone. Those are vertebrae. After it there was a rib cage. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of small bones, and it protects the internal organs. Then there was another one was the limbs. There were forelimbs and hind limbs, and the bone of upper arm was humerus, and lower arm has 2 bones, radius and ulna, whereas in the leg, upper leg was the bone of upper leg was femur, and the bones of lower leg was tibia and fibula. As true fact was given here, femur is the largest, heaviest and the strongest bone in the human body. And about the girdles, there is given girdles, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Then there is given joints. Joints are of 2 types, movable and immovable. Movable joints are further divided into 4 parts: pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joint. Pivot joint are found in our neck and head, which allows left, right and up down movement, and the hinge joint are found in our elbows, fingers and knees, which moves only in one direction. It works like a hinges of a door. And the gliding joint are found in our wrist, ankle and backbone, which glide over one another and helps us to bend. After it there was a ball and socket joint. In this joint A ball-like bone fits in a cup-like cavity, and allows circular movement and found in shoulder and hips. Immovable joints are found in our skull. Now next heading is muscular system, and today we will know that what is muscular system. Our body has about 600 muscles. They are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. Muscles with bones help the body in movement. Now look here, muscular system. It is made up of 600 muscles attached to the bones by strong fibers. Those fibers are called tendons, which helps in the movement. Now types of movement, types of muscles. There are three types of muscles: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. So voluntary muscles are those muscles which are under our control and work according to our wish. Whenever we want, we can move these parts: arms, legs, hands, and feet. That's why voluntary muscles are present in these parts. But as involuntary muscles, these muscles are not under our control and they work on their own. And these muscles are found in our internal organs like stomach, intestine, and lungs. And cardiac muscles are present in our heart. The heart beats non-stop 1 lakh times each day. Now look here. There are three types of muscles. The voluntary muscles. These muscles are attached to the bones and are under our control. They are present in our arms, legs, hands, and feet. Involuntary muscles. These muscles are not under our control. They work on their own. They are present in the walls of our stomach, intestine, and lungs. Now look here, true fact is given here. The longest muscle in the human body is sartorius, which runs diagonally from hip to the knee. Now cardiac muscle. The muscles are not attached to our bones. They are present in our heart. Cardiac muscles contract automatically to squeeze the walls of the heart inward. The heart beats non-stop about 1 lakh times each day. It can do this because of cardiac muscles. Look. These muscles are not attached to our bones. As you can see, these are free. They are present in our heart. Cardiac muscles contract automatically, means these muscles are also not in our control. So these are also an example of involuntary muscles because we cannot control these muscles. They contract automatically to squeeze the walls of the heart inward. The heart beats non-stop about 1 lakh times because of these cardiac muscles. It can do this because of the cardiac muscles. Now we see how the muscles work. Cardiac muscles. How the muscles work. There are two reasons to work the muscles: contraction and relaxation. The muscles work on the principle of contraction and relaxation, and these two things are also work here: biceps and triceps. Now look here. we can understand biceps and triceps with the help of these figures. Our muscles are attached with bones. The muscles are attached here with the bones. They pull the bones to produce movement. Muscles work in two ways, by contraction or relaxation. When muscles contract, the bones come closer. As we raise our lower arm, look here, in these two figures, the arm is raising upward. Look here. As we raise our lower arm, biceps muscles of upper arm contract to pull the bones. Here the contracting biceps contract. Look here. And triceps relaxes. Triceps relaxes in this position. Contract to pull the bones of upper arms in upward direction. The triceps muscles relax. When muscles relax, the bones move apart, as when we straighten the lower arm in this position. When we straighten the lower arm, biceps muscles relax. Here the biceps muscles relax in these two figures, and triceps contracts. Look here, triceps contracts. This is how the muscles work. Now we will see the summary of this chapter. Cells are the building blocks of our body. Means our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serves many important functions. The backbone is also known as the vertebral column or spine. The point where two or more bones join together is called a joint. Our body has about 600 muscles. Muscles work in two ways, by contraction and relaxation. Now students, underline some word meanings, important hard words, which you have to do as a homework. You can take the screenshot of this page also, and you can read it later on. Underline this word cavity. Immovable. Muscular. Attached. tendons, muscles, voluntary muscles, attached, involuntary muscles, intestine, cardiac muscles, contract, automatically, squeeze, inward, diagonally, produce, contraction, relaxation, contract, raise, biceps, upward, triceps, straighten, contracts. So students, take the screenshot of this page by sliding down your fingers, the two fingers, and you have to write the meanings of these hard words. You have to find it by your own, and this is your homework to find the meanings of these words. Take the screenshot. Now let's see the another half portion. Okay, students, now we will meet in the next video, and in the next video we will do the word meanings and exercises of this chapter. Till then, read this chapter, find the meaning of the hard words. Till then, good day.